Hello, everybody. Hello, Brian. Welcome again in Informology. What do we have for today, Brian?
Hi, Hope. Hi, everyone. Picture this. You're in your kitchen, apron on, ready to impress your friends with a fancy dinner. But you have no idea what you're doing. What if AI could turn you into a master chef overnight?
Or at least stop you from burning spaghetti again, Brian.
Guilty. But seriously, AI is popping up everywhere, from writing songs to diagnosing illnesses. So why not cooking?
Exactly. Today on Informology, we're diving into whether AI can actually make you a great chef. Can it teach flavor pairing, save you from recipe disasters, or will it just tell you to put pineapple on pizza?
Stick around, because by the end, you might be letting AI design your next dinner party menu.
Let's kick off with recipe generation. Brian, did you know there are AI apps that can whip up completely new recipes based on what you have in your fridge?
Yeah, I tried one last night. It saw eggs, peanut butter, and pickles, and suggested a gourmet fusion omelet. Let's just say it's an acquired taste.
Sounds experimental, but that's the fun part. AI can think of combos we'd never imagine. Sometimes it's genius, other times pure chaos.
Exactly, and AI can generate recipes in seconds, customize flavors for allergies, even suggest regional twists. Imagine an AI suggesting a curry taco fusion for taco night.
Now that I'd actually eat. It's like AI is your creative brainstorm buddy.
Plus, it can even use flavor chemistry databases. Some chefs are testing AI-created dishes at pop-up events to see if customers like them. Moving on, smart kitchen gadgets. Mixers that adjust speed, ovens that know exactly how long to bake, even cutting boards with built-in scales.
It's like having Gordon Ramsay in your kitchen, minus the shouting.
Yeah, instead it's more like a calm British assistant. Your steak is almost overdone. Perhaps consider flipping it now.
That would save so many dinner parties from disaster. And it's perfect for beginners. No more guessing oven temps.
I even saw an AI-powered pan that tells you when to stir. Imagine cooking risotto while AI whispers, "Whisper, keep stirring."
That's futuristic. And with voice assistants, you could literally say, "Alexa, help me saute onions," and it talks you through step by step. Can AI actually teach flavor?
Some AIs analyze thousands of recipes to predict flavor harmony. That's why chocolate and chili somehow work together.
So if I'm making soup, it could whisper, "Add cumin for depth."
Exactly. Experimental tech even tastes food with sensors and suggests tweaks in real time.
Soon, you might have a kitchen robot that says, "Too salty, add a potato to fix it."
And beyond taste, AI is exploring aroma science, basically becoming a flavor sommelier.
Here's something cool. AI grocery planning.
Oh yes, where your fridge talks to your shopping app and automatically orders what's missing.
And it can suggest recipes based on discounts or what's seasonal. That's budget-friendly and eco-friendly.
Imagine AI warning you, "Don't buy lettuce, you still have some." Finally, no more wilting greens in the back of the fridge. AI can also build weekly menus for diet goals. Keto, vegan, low sodium. It's done it all.
It even adapts to your mood. If you're stressed, it suggests calming herbal dishes or lighter comfort foods.
Like that chamomile pasta you had?
Yep. Not sure if that was genius or madness.
AI nutrition tracking can also warn you if you're low on vitamins. That's like having a personal dietitian.
Some apps are stepping up. They offer virtual classes with AI feedback. Imagine an AI watching you mince garlic and saying, "Excellent job, chef."
And if you mess up, it doesn't yell. It calmly says, "Let's try again. But this time, don't throw half the carrot on the floor."
I need that.
Plus, VR kitchens let you practice anything from flambeing crepes to perfectly searing steak without risking your eyebrows.
That's huge for beginners. You can redo steps, get instant feedback, and even unlock levels like a cooking video game.
Exactly. It gamifies cooking school, and it makes you want to practice until you actually feel like a pro.
And because AI remembers your progress, it's like a patient mentor, always ready for lesson 2. But here's the big question. Can AI truly make someone a great chef or just a better cook?
Good point. AI makes you efficient, creative, and way less likely to burn dinner. But greatness still needs intuition, tradition, and a dash of pure human chaos.
Like those happy mistakes that turn into signature dishes? An AI won't spill flour everywhere or laugh while you scramble to fix a broken sauce.
Exactly. It can't replicate tasting grandma's lasagna or that feeling when friends cheer for your homemade cake.
And it definitely can't understand why we cry chopping onions, but still love cooking.
So AI is your sous chef, your safety net, but the heart of cooking, that's still all you.
So, what did we learn today? AI can seriously level up your kitchen game. From wild recipe ideas, smart gadgets, flavor tricks, meal planning, even virtual lessons that turn you into a confident cook.
But becoming a great chef, that's still about passion, creativity, and sharing food you love with people you care about.
Would you let AI plan your next dinner or teach you knife skills? We want to hear your stories in the comments. Maybe your AI-made dinner was a masterpiece or a total disaster. Share it.
And if you had fun hanging out with us, check out our AI in Daily Life playlist. We've done AI pats, smart routines, and there's plenty more cooking.
Hit that subscribe button so you won't miss our next digital dish, because this series is just heating up.
Thanks for watching Informology. And remember, even with AI, the best ingredient is you.